Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 262. This was the 19th of May, 2023. Took my daughter to school, went, had a doctor's appointment in the morning, and in the afternoon I had a coaching call with Zen Arbitrage, and then I worked on books. I worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on IM Academy, and also did insurance. So that's it for day 262. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. And my gratitude is just to God today that I'm alive and that I'm here and I'm on this journey, taking it all in, learning and doing what I'm supposed to be doing every single day, because I know there's a higher purpose that I don't know, but I do believe it will be revealed to me at a later time. So thanks very much for watching. Let me know your comments or questions. I'd like to have somebody watch this one day. It'd be great. Thanks so much.